Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I am having Kevin from Tactical Roof Rack Solutions come over, and he will be installing a new roof rack on my 4Runner. So currently I have a Prinsu. It is obviously one of the top brands you'll see out there for Toyota, but I am wanting to change it up and help support a local company just out of BC, Canada. If you haven't heard of him, I will post a link in the description down below for his website and his Instagram. But here we will be doing the install so you can check it out and see how it's done. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is remove your roof rack rails or previous roof rack. Then you want to take a damp rag and clean all down the channel where the weather stripping lays and get a good cleaning where you're going to bolt down your new roof rack. Next, you want to get started on building your new roof rack. The easiest way to do this is to lay down all your parts on the ground in the right configuration. Once you have them all laid out, you can go ahead and start putting it all together. Be sure to add anti-seize to the roof rack rail bolts to prevent corrosion. Once you have your roof rack all put together, you can go ahead and add silicone to the 8 bolt holes where the previous rack was bolted down. You definitely want to be generous on the silicone as you do not want any water getting in. Once the silicone is down, you can add the spacers onto the bolt holes. Be sure to press down firmly to set them in place. Once you have the spacers in place, go ahead and add extra silicone into the center of the spacers, as this will add extra security to make sure there are no water leaks. After you are done adding the silicone and spacers, you can go ahead and put your roof rack on. This is definitely a job that you want to do with 2 people if possible. Once you have the roof rack on, you can go ahead and add the 8 bolts in and hand tighten them down. But make sure you do not tighten them down all the way, as you want to make sure the roof rack is aligned first. The last part of the install is to attach the front mounting feet to the roof. In order to do this, you must cut a portion of the weather stripping. Line up the mounting feet with the designated holes, and the feet should be resting on the stripping. Using a Sharpie, mark the weather stripping on each side of the feet. Now remove the feet and pull up the weather stripping. Next, you want to use an angle grinder or a Dremel tool to cut the weather stripping. It does have a metal wire inside, which can be hard to cut. Once you have the weather stripping cut, you can go ahead and add it back onto the roof. Using a 3M tape, pull back one side of the tape and attach it to the feet. Then pull back the other side of the tape and place the mounting feet on the roof. I suggest holding the mounts down firmly for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Then bolt the feet to the side rails. Once you are happy with the alignment, you can go ahead and start tightening down all the bolts. You want to start with the front mounting feet and work your way towards the back. Once you have all the bolts tightened down, you are done. One thing I really like about Tactical Roof Rack Solutions is they let you add your own personal touch to the roof rack. For me, I just went with my Instagram and YouTube handle, Her Adventure Life. I definitely think this is a game changer for being able to do that. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and that my video was helpful towards you and your install. If so, please consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing if you have not already. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. Until next time, have a great day.